In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see staff capacity in Asana Workload in portfolios. This functionality can be incredibly valuable in managing your team's workload effectively and ensuring that no one is overwhelmed with tasks. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. The first step is to create a new portfolio or select an existing one that contains all the relevant team projects. If you're using Asana's Portfolios feature, this is where you can gather all the projects your team is working on in one place. By consolidating them here, you can obtain a clearer picture of overall workload management. Once you've got your portfolio set up, it's essential to ensure that every key project is added. This step is crucial because it makes the workload calculation more comprehensive. If you're missing projects, you might end up with an inaccurate view of how much work each team member has on their plate. Now, let's click on the Workload tab located at the top of your portfolio view. This tab will aggregate all the tasks associated with the projects in your portfolio, displaying them visually and helping you analyze the overall distribution of work. This is where the real magic happens. As you look at the timeline chart, you'll see horizontal bars that represent the assigned work for each team member. This visual representation makes it easy to gauge who is doing what and how much they have on their plate. If a bar appears red, that's a clear signal that a team member is over capacity and potentially has too much work assigned to them. Identifying overcapacity is just the first step, though. The next part is crucial for maintaining team morale and productivity. Rebalance the workload. You can do this easily by dragging and dropping tasks from overbooked members, those with those red bars, to colleagues who have plenty of bandwidth and show green bars. This way, you're redistributing tasks more evenly across your team, making it more manageable for everyone involved. Now that you've adjusted the workload, it's time to fine-tune your measurements. Open the Settings menu where you'll have the option to measure capacity by task count, hours, or points. Depending on your team's needs and the nature of the projects, you can select the most suitable method for capacity assessment. Next, it's really important to define the maximum capacity for each person. By doing this, you ensure that the color indicators reflect their real bandwidth accurately. Each team member might have different capacities based on their roles, experience, and even their current work-life balance. Setting this up correctly can lead to better workload management and a happier team. And just like that, you've set everything up to monitor and adjust your team's workload effectively. Now it's time to check your results. Revisit the workload view and observe how the adjustments you've made impact the overall distribution of tasks. You should notice a more balanced view, promoting both productivity and well-being among your team. That wraps up our tutorial on how to see staff capacity in Asana Workload in portfolios. I hope you found these steps helpful in managing your team's workload more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more tips on Asana and project management. Thanks for tuning in.